Take a ride in the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, all-wheel drive, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.